The Bible says to be absent from the body is to be present with the Lord. But my time ain't yet. But when my time comes, I'm gonna fly away. Ladies, let's sing this song here. Some glad morning when this life is over, I'll fly away to that home on God's heavenly shore. Yeah, I got one more thing, just a few more weary days, and then I'll fly away to a land where joy would never end. Fly away, you know. Just like a morning dove, I'll fly away. Yes, I will. Oh, yeah. But when I die, hallelujah, by and by, I'll fly. You know, trouble down here no more. Yeah, you know what? But when I die, hallelujah, by and by, I'll fly. Let's take it home, girl. Oh, fly away. I'm gonna fly away. Won't have to be worried down here no more. I'm gonna fly away, yes I will. They tell me I'm going, they tell me I'm going. I'm going to a city not made by man's hands. Won't have to be trouble down here no more. Won't have to be worried with the cares of this life no more. Don't have to worry about pain no more. Don't have to worry about crying no more. Don't have to worry about people lying on me, scandalizing my name. I'm gonna fly away. Oh, I'm gonna sit at the welcome table, sit at the welcome table, feast on milk and honey, sing and never get tired. I'm gonna fly